History of Kiva Systems. The Kiva system was founded in 2003 by Mick Mounts. Mick was no dummy when it came to packaging, as before he found Kiva, he worked for the online company as a material handler for Webvan. After experiencing how tough it was working for Webvan, Mounts knew there had to be a change. As the Kiva Systems website explains, Mounts envisioned a better way to accomplish pick, pack, and ship through a system that can deliver any item to any operator at any time. With the help of robotic engineers Professor Peter Warman and Raffaello De Andrea, and with only 20 months of innovation, Kiva Systems was born. It continues its success by being rated the 6th fastest growing company in the US by Inc. 500 and being the 23rd most innovative company in the world, being rated by Fast Company magazine in 2012. Also in 2012, Kiva Systems was purchased by one of the biggest e-commerce websites today, which is Amazon. That's the history of Kiva.
The Kiva system.
The Kiva system is a new device developed and owned by Amazon. It uses a systematic network of automated robots to find its position and navigates itself around large factories. It uses its own sensors to create a network and virtual map of its area while it interacts with each other. It moves by following data strips placed along the floor. It is used to eliminate the need for humans to walk up and down looking for items. Kiva bots are used to move goods from one area to another. All items are scanned and placed into specific bins for the Kiva bots to find and bring back to the operator.
Many companies are realizing how well Kiva system robots perform in the warehouses and in turn are using them in their own. The Gap, Walgreens, Office Depot, and Amazon are just a few of the companies that use Kiva robots in their warehouses to improve productivity. Although Kiva Systems is a wonderful and innovative technology, there are still a few problems to fix. One of the problems being that if a programming error were to occur, it has the potential to send a robot off course, damaging either other robots or the products it is carrying, or even worse, injuring an innocent factory worker. Besides the few programming issues, there is also one other major malfunction with the Kiva robots. The Kiva robots are not capable of working in extreme temperature conditions, whether it be extreme heat or extreme cold. This causes the Kiva robots to be basically useless in areas such as grocery departments, where many of the groceries need to be kept refrigerated or heated. All in all, the positives about Kiva Systems definitely outweigh the negatives, and in the future, the Kiva Systems has the potential to expand from the warehouses and into our everyday lives.
Now that you know how Kiva Systems started and what they're all about, what comes next in their story? We attempted to contact Kiva Systems directly, but to no avail. We found that Kiva Systems could expand their warehouse systems into grocery applications, but everything else is just speculation. After being purchased by Amazon, Kiva Systems has great potential and available resources to expand into many different areas, one of these areas being forms of transportation. One of the most promising forms of transportation in our opinion are the self-driving cars, and specifically a self-driving taxi service. The taxi service would have to start off small, such as in small towns and small cities, but potentially has the capacity to expand to large metropolitan areas. They could store the self-driving taxis in the street or in vending machines such as this one displayed on the screen. Kiva Systems can use their already functioning warehouse layout software to bring consumers to their destinations, but instead of warehouse layouts, they can use city or town maps. Here is a short video of what the self-drivable taxis might look like.
Here you can see a fine young gentleman sitting in a Kiva taxi cab waiting to be transported. And now here you will see the Kiva taxi finally transporting the young man. As you can see, the Kiva taxi is a work in progress. It's very cautious when going around turns. You will now see that there is no driver in the Kiva taxi cab. There you have it, the Kiva.
Not only would this work for taxis, but it would also work for mass transit such as buses. Another area where Kiva Systems could expand into is drone transportation. Amazon, owner of Kiva Systems, released a prank drone delivery service last April Fool's Day. With Kiva Systems technology, Amazon has the potential to incorporate an actual drone service that can program its own flight path and make the shortest trip to the customer and back to the warehouse. The end.